Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use a coupon on AliExpress. First, go to the AliExpress website or open the AliExpress app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, browse through the products and pick any item you want to buy. You can search for specific products or browse through different categories. Once you have selected a product, look for the coupon and discount section on the product page. Click on it to see if there are any available coupons for this product. For example, you might see a message saying free shipping over 2,786 PKR. Note that this amount will depend on your currency and location. Scroll down the product page to find more details about the available coupons. Make sure to pick a product that costs more than 2,700 PKR to qualify for the coupon. After selecting your product, click on the Buy Now button to proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see an option to enter a promo code. Enter your coupon code in the provided field and click Apply to use the coupon code for your purchase. That is it. You have successfully applied a coupon to your order on AliExpress. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.